Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back in Cura 4.7. I had the issue with my profiles getting truncated, and a user gave me a sweet way to get them back. So let's get cracking. All right, real quickly, let me show you what we got. We are in Settings, Printer, Manage Printers, and right now I'm using my A10T. Now this is a problem here because the A10T has got all of these lines of start code that are used to work with the Virtual Extruders. So watch this, it's all there. We're gonna close, and we will close Cura. And now that we got Cura closed, let's relaunch it. I hate to waste your time, so I'm gonna use clip speed here. All right, so Cura just opened, it went to my printer. If we hit settings, printer, and we do manage settings, bring this up. Normally you get to see all the codes, but as you can see, mine have been truncated. Alright friends, so the technique that the user shared is so slick. Simply return to your SD card, which I already inserted, and then find one of the last ones that you sent to it. So I've got this one right here, the mix. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose open with Notepad. In Notepad, you simply need to find where your code starts. I know mine starts with the G28, and I know it goes through all my virtual extruders. Check it out, there's even a space that kind of lets you know when you're done. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to return to Cura. I'm going to delete the partial code from what wasn't truncated, and when we do Control V, I have got all of my code pasted back in, and I'm ready to roll. So there you have it, friends. That's how easy it is to get your start code from a previously exported STL file. I want to send a huge shout out to Lane. Thanks so much for sharing that trick. Appreciate you taking time to give us a skill, and I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of times where I can use it. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.